When the well is dry, we will know the worth of water. A famous quote by Benjamin Franklin. Honorable adjudicators and intellectuals, I am Harsh Agarwal and I am going to express my view in the favor of the motion that water crisis is failure of the people. The problem of water crisis is universal. According to World Resources Institute, in 2040, around 80% of world won't have enough water to meet their demand. Also, big cities of world like Cape Town, Barcelona, Mexico City, Tokyo, Beijing, Hyderabad, Bengaluru will face day zero in next few decades unless their water use radically changes. Coming to our nation, Niti Aayog's report says India is suffering from worst water crisis in its history. 60 crore Indians are going through extreme water crisis right now, which is almost India's half population. India ranks 128th among 122 countries in water quality index. Also, 70% of water is polluted in India, due to which around 2 lakh people dying every year due to inadequate access to water, to safe water. That is 550 people are dying every single day. There are many solutions which we common people can do very easily, like reduce the water consumption with reuse of water. I am not talking about black water, I am talking about grey water, which is discharged by AC installed in our rooms. Unfiltered water of RO, which can be used for washing clothes and utensils. RO filter waste is around 75% of water. Then why we can't use this water for washing clothes or irrigating our plants? Because we don't know the value of water. If by changing toilet flush model from 10 liter to 5 liter tanks in kitchen and shower, we add a flow reducer or aerator to reducing the flow of water, then why we can't do a small steps to save water? According to Nat Geo, if every person of India only to save 30% of water of daily uses by these methods, then we can save around 90 billion liter of water every single day. Then why we blame government? If people cannot save water, government can't do anything. The best example of responsible people is Cape Town of South Africa, where day zero was scheduled on 18th March 2018. But by the extraordinary effort by the residents, day zero countdown clock was paused indefinitely. If you still don't be cautious, then the war of 21st century will be fought over water. Thank you so much.